do Hindus view organ donation and transplantation? Hindus view organ donation and transplantation with a nuanced mixture of religious beliefs, cultural traditions, and ethical considerations. While there is no single, uniform Hindu perspective on this issue, certain general themes and principles can be identified. One of the central tenets of Hinduism is the concept of ahimsa, or non-violence. This principle extends to all living beings, including one's own body. Hindus believe that the body is a sacred vessel entrusted to them by the divine, and as such, it should be treated with respect and care. From this perspective, organ donation can be seen as an act of compassion and selflessness, as it involves giving a part of oneself to save or improve the life of another. Another important Hindu belief is the concept of karma, or the law of cause and effect. Hindus believe that every action, whether good or bad, has consequences in this life and beyond. In the context of organ donation, this principle suggests that by donating an organ, an individual can accumulate positive karma and improve their spiritual standing. Conversely, refusing to donate an organ may be seen as an act of selfishness or neglect, which could have negative karmic consequences. Additionally, Hindus place great emphasis on the concept of dharma, or righteous duty. For many Hindus, fulfilling one's dharma is a primary goal in life. In the context of organ donation, this could mean considering the needs of others and making a decision that is in accordance with one's moral and ethical values. For some Hindus, this may involve donating an organ if it is seen as a way to fulfill their dharma and serve humanity. Cultural traditions also play a role in shaping Hindu views on organ donation. In some Hindu communities, there may be a strong emphasis on the importance of preserving the body intact after death. This belief may lead some Hindus to be hesitant about donating organs, as they may view it as a form of mutilation or desecration of the body. However, it is important to note that Hindu views on organ donation are not monolithic. There is a wide range of perspectives within the Hindu community, and many Hindus embrace organ donation as a way to express their compassion and fulfill their dharma. In recent years, there have been growing efforts within Hindu communities to raise awareness about the importance of organ donation and to dispel misconceptions and taboos surrounding it. Overall, Hindu views on organ donation are shaped by a complex interplay of religious beliefs, cultural traditions, and ethical considerations. While there is no single, uniform perspective on this issue, many Hindus view organ donation as an act of compassion, selflessness, and fulfillment of one's dharma.